Hi dear, I'd like to share with you today about the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. In English we have capital and lowercase letters. For example, this is a capital A. And this is a lowercase a. Capital B. Lowercase b. Capital C. Lowercase c. So every letter has a capital and lowercase letter. Now, let's go over all the letters in the English alphabet. Just listen and repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have 26 letters, 5 vowels, and 21 consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y can be used as a vowel. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants, and that is the English alphabet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe and don't forget to share.